Imagine a world where every relationship you have is robust and filled with trust. Your heart feels safe, your mind is at ease, and your spirit is uplifted. Trust is the bedrock upon which all meaningful connections are built. You know you can be your authentic self, without fear of judgment or rejection. In this world, trust allows you to be vulnerable, to share your deepest thoughts and feelings, and to know that you will be accepted and valued for who you truly are. This isn't a fantasy. It's a possibility when we understand and nurture trust. Trust is not just a feeling, it's a practice, a commitment to being reliable, honest, and supportive. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels safe to express themselves and to take risks. Trust is the very foundation of any meaningful connection. It's the invisible thread that binds us together, allowing us to be vulnerable, to support each other, and to grow together. Without trust, relationships crumble. With trust, relationships blossom. Trust enables us to build bridges, to overcome obstacles, and to achieve things we never thought possible. Trust is not a given, it's earned. It's built through consistent actions, through showing up and being present, through listening and understanding. It's about being there for each other in good times and bad, and proving that you can be counted on. It's built slowly over time through consistent actions and interactions. Trust grows when we keep our promises, when we act with integrity, and when we show that we care. It's about being dependable, about doing what we say we will do, and about being honest, even when it's difficult. It requires courage to be vulnerable, to communicate openly, and to be accountable for our actions. It's about admitting when we're wrong, about being willing to make amends, and about striving to be better. Trust is a two-way street. It requires effort and commitment from both sides. Building trust is a journey, not a destination. It's an ongoing process, a continuous effort to strengthen our connections and to deepen our relationships. It's about being patient, about giving each other the benefit of the doubt, and about working through challenges together. It's about showing up every day and choosing to be trustworthy. It's about being consistent, about being reliable, and about being someone that others can depend on. Trust is built through our actions, through the choices we make, and through the way we treat each other. In this exploration of trust, we'll uncover 7 powerful strategies that can transform your relationships. These strategies are designed to help you build and maintain trust, to create deeper connections, and to foster a sense of safety and security in your relationships. These strategies are grounded in research and real-life experiences. They are practical, actionable, and proven to work. They are tools that you can use to build trust in your relationships, to create a sense of closeness and intimacy, and to strengthen your connections with others. They are tools to help you cultivate deeper connections with your partner, friends, family, and colleagues. Trust is the foundation of all healthy relationships, and these strategies will help you to build and maintain that foundation. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey with me? Together, we will explore the power of trust, and we will learn how to build and maintain trust in our relationships. We will discover the keys to creating a world where trust reigns supreme. Together, we can create a world where trust reigns supreme. Let's dive in. Let's take the first step on this journey together, and let's build a world where trust is the foundation of all our relationships. Open and honest communication is the bedrock of trust. It's about expressing your thoughts and feelings clearly. Listen actively to understand, not just to reply. When we communicate openly, we create a safe space for vulnerability. Authenticity is key. Be yourself, flaws and all. Share your joys, your fears, and your dreams. This doesn't mean offloading every thought or feeling. It's about being genuine in your interactions. Be mindful of your words and tone. Choose kindness and respect, even when disagreeing. Clear communication also involves setting healthy boundaries. Let others know your limits. This prevents misunderstandings and resentment. Remember, effective communication is a two-way street. Be an active listener. Pay attention to both verbal and nonverbal cues. Ask clarifying questions. Show empathy and understanding. By nurturing open and honest communication, you build a strong foundation of trust. This allows relationships to flourish and withstand challenges. Vulnerability is often mistaken for weakness. In reality, it's the birthplace of courage and connection. Allowing yourself to be seen, truly seen, is a powerful act of trust. It deepens intimacy and fosters understanding. Start by sharing something small, a fear, a hope, a dream. When we allow ourselves to be vulnerable, we give others permission to do the same. This creates a safe space for authenticity. It strengthens the bond between people. Vulnerability is not about oversharing or seeking pity. It's about being real. It's about letting go of the need to be perfect. Embrace imperfection. We all have flaws, scars, and vulnerabilities. These imperfections make us human. They make us relatable. Remember, vulnerability is a two-way street. Be open to receiving the vulnerability of others. Listen with an open heart and offer support without judgment. Boundaries are essential for healthy relationships. They are the invisible lines that define where you end and another person begins. Having clear boundaries protects your emotional well-being. Start by identifying your personal limits. What are you comfortable with? What makes you feel uncomfortable or unsafe? Communicate these boundaries clearly and respectfully. Don't be afraid to say no when you need to. Respect the boundaries of others. Recognize that everyone has different limits. Be mindful of their needs and preferences. Enforce your boundaries consistently. This shows others that you are serious about protecting yourself. Remember, boundaries are not about control or manipulation. They are about self-respect and mutual understanding. Section 5. Forgiveness, the bridge to healing. Forgiveness is not a sign of weakness. It's actually an act of strength and compassion. Holding on to anger and resentment only hurts you, you know? Forgiveness liberates you from the past. Start by forgiving yourself for any past mistakes. We all make them. Acknowledge the pain that was caused. Allow yourself to feel it fully. Then, choose to let go of the anger and resentment. This doesn't mean condoning the behavior. It means releasing yourself from the burden of carrying it. Forgiveness takes time. Be patient with yourself. It's a process, not a destination. Remember, forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. It's the key to moving on and building stronger relationships. Section 6. Consistency, the language of trust. Consistency is the language of trust. It's about showing up authentically, time and time again. Our actions speak louder than words. Let your yes be yes and your no be no. Be reliable. Keep your promises. Follow through on your commitments. This builds a track record of trustworthiness. Be consistent in your behavior. Don't send mixed messages. Treat others with respect and kindness, even when you're having a bad day. Inconsistency breeds doubt and uncertainty. It erodes trust over time. Remember, trust is built in drops and lost in buckets. Each consistent action strengthens the bond, while each inconsistency creates a crack in the foundation. Building trust takes time. It's not a microwave process. It's a slow cooker recipe. Be patient with yourself and with others. Trust is like a garden. It needs time to grow. Don't expect instant results. Nurture the relationship with care and understanding. Be present in the process. Enjoy the journey of getting to know someone deeply. Celebrate small victories along the way. Each act of trust, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Remember, the strongest relationships are built on a foundation of patience, understanding, and unwavering support. Trust is essential in the workplace. It fosters collaboration, innovation, and productivity. When team members trust each other, they are more likely to share ideas freely, support each other, take risks, and be creative. Leaders play a crucial role in building trust. Lead with integrity. Be transparent in your communication. Value the contributions of your team members. Recognize and appreciate their efforts. Create a culture of feedback where constructive criticism is welcome. Encourage open dialogue and active listening. Remember, a workplace built on trust is a workplace where everyone feels valued, respected, and empowered to do their best work. The impact of trust extends far beyond our personal relationships. It has a ripple effect, influencing our communities and the world around us. When we trust each other, we are more likely to cooperate and solve problems together, help those in need, and create a more just and equitable society. Trust is the foundation of a thriving society. It's the glue that holds us together. Let's be mindful of the trust we build and the trust we break. Our actions have far-reaching consequences. Choose to be a force for good in the world. Start by nurturing trust in your own life. Remember, even small acts of kindness and trustworthiness can have a profound impact on the world around us. Building a world of trust starts with each of us. It's a conscious choice we make every single day. Embrace the strategies we've explored, let them guide you in your interactions. Remember, communicate openly and honestly, embrace vulnerability, set healthy boundaries, forgive yourself and others. Be consistent in your actions, practice patience, cultivate trust and respect in the workplace. The journey of building trust is ongoing. It's a lifelong adventure filled with challenges and rewards. Embrace the journey. Celebrate the victories. Learn from the setbacks. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of trust. Together, we can create a world where trust is the foundation of all our relationships. Now go out there and build trust. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the message of trust far and wide.